Sermon number 217. Excesses of the Quraysh. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. O my Allah! I beseech thee to take revenge on the Quraysh and those who are assisting them, for they have cut asunder my kinship and overturned my cup and have joined together to contest a right to which I was entitled more than anyone else. They said to me, if you get your right, that will be just, but if you are denied the right, that too will be just. Endure it with sadness or kill yourself in grief. I looked around but found no one to shield me, protect me or help me except the members of my family. I refrained from flinging them into death and therefore closed my eyes despite the dust, kept swallowing saliva despite the suffocation of grief and endured pangs of anger although it was more bitter than colocynth and more grievous than the bite of knives.